those horrible Smurfs. There must be a way to find their cursed village. Oh, what do you want? You good-for-nothing? Since when do you like hugs? Enough with the cuddles. You know full well I hate touching your fur, you flea bag. What's making you so clingy? Is it the full moon? Go bother someone else.
Food? Gotcha. I'm hungry. Oh, sweet little Furbo. Me eat Furbo. Furbo very mean.
Paw hurt. Wild, heal it. No, eat, Smurf. Me help you. Wound too bad. Me take you to Papa Smurf. Woo-hoo! Papa Smurf, come here.
Wild?
You not afraid with me, Azrael? Nice. Paw hurt. Poor animal. Need help.
Let me see that. You're right, Wild. His injury is very serious, but Azrael is our enemy. We can't keep him here.
With me? Okay.
Hello, Papa Smurf. Hello, Wild. Hello, Azrael. Huh?
I need to talk with the Smurfs. Don't be afraid. There's nothing to fear. Call the Great Smurf Council.
This Smurf is dangerous. He's gonna eat us.
Silence! Azrael is Gargamel's cat, to be sure, but he's been injured, and we have to help him. This is what Smurfs do, but everyone has to agree. Smurfette?
Of course we have to help him. Maybe he's not as mean as his master. We just have to smurf him a little love.
You gotta be joking. He'll try to smurf us. I say Azrael has to go.
Oh, Hefty, you truly don't have a heart.
I'm saying this for your own good, Smurfette. You wouldn't want him to mistake you for a piece of sweet sarsaparilla candy,
Actually, cats don't eat sarsaparilla, right?
But they eat Smurfs. Azrael will try to smurf us up as soon as our backs are turned.
In that case, let's make sure that we never turn our backs on him and always have his...
Oh, so you're gonna send the poor injured cat flying too?
What if he's pretending?
Pretending to be a cat.
He's going to smurf us all, I tell you.
Hefty's right. He's too dangerous.
Stop! I know that you're all worried, but we can't send an injured animal away, so I'll smurf a potion to heal him, and in the meantime, you'll be in charge of keeping an eye on him, Wild.
Papa Smurf can trust me.
Okay, but we can't leave him here in the middle of the village. We have to put him in a safe place.
Any ideas?
Come on, make some room for the cat.
Smurf, yuck. Blueberry, yum. Good, Azrael. No eat Smurf, eat blueberry.
Well done, Azrael. He's so cute.
Now catch. Good cat.
Can I try too?
Clumsy, watch out!
Could somebody turn the lights on?
I said, no eat Smurf.
Well done. Bravo, kitty.
Give me a key. Give me a tea. Kitty, yeah.
Can't they see Azrael just wants to gobble them up as soon as he gets the chance?
They're playing games with our sworn enemy.
Ouch. K-T-K-T. Yeah!
I win!
We need to help them Smurf the truth.
Of course. Maybe we could make ourselves look appetizing for Azrael to convince him to eat us.
Great idea.
It's time to brush your teeth. What do you think you're doing?
No eat, Smurfette.
That's better. Now smurf out your tongue. Oh, yuck. It smells like rotten fish in there.
We go pick blueberries. You stay here. Come on, Jokey. Let's get to it.
Oh my, I look so tasty. I'm sure that I just melt in your mouth.
And what about me? I'm all muscle, incredibly tender. You like?
Smurfette! Wild! Azrael is gonna eat Hefty!
Help! Help! Ah! Ah!
He's cuddling him. That's so cute. Well done, Azrael.
The potion is ready. Azrael, time to heal your wound. There. Walk.
Wow, it looks like he has 4 paws.
4 working paws. Now we can leave.
Nice cat healed. Yippee!
What's wrong with him?
Hurt? He's pretending. All he wants to do is stay here so he can eat us. Azrael no eat, Smurf. Very nice cat.
Wild is right. Azrael has had plenty of opportunities to eat us, and he didn't. If he's pretending, it's because he wants to stay with us.
Oh, please, Papa Smurf. Can he stay, please?
All right, but one false move and he has to go.
Azrael can stay. Azrael
One
can
false
stay.
move, huh? If we drive him crazy, then he'll have to leave. That's annoying, isn't it, cat?
Oops, sorry. I smurfed my dumbbell on your tail.
Huh? It didn't work.
He's one sneaky cat.
I don't trust him one bit.
Wild is going to bring you nice blueberries. Meanwhile, relax and smurf your mind. Oh. Soften your whiskers. Feel the wind on your nose.
What are you doing, you furball? You're in the middle of the Smurf village. Eat them all.
Eat us, Azrael. Eat us, Azrael. Azrael?
Would you like a carrot?
Oh no! Watch out, Dimwitty!
Bye.
Smurf for your lives! Run
Azrael, no! Smurf away!
I'm not tasty! I'm not tasty!
Eat Smurf! No, eat Smurf!
Smurf me down. Little mistake, but nice cat.
Sorry, Wild. We did give Azrael a chance, but he can't be trusted. He has to go. Now.
searching for you for days, but you found a Smurf for your beloved master. Hello, you. He's going straight into my cauldron.
No, eat, Smurf.
Ouch! What was that? Something bit me. Did you see something? Ah! It must have been a Smurf. Why didn't you catch it, you useless cat? Come on, let's go home.